Nagli-lip sync nga talaga ang SB19, pare. Legit, man. Talagang nagli-lip sync sila, nag-lip sync sila sa mga performance nila, sa mga concert nila, man. Imagine, talagang lip sync ang mga performance ng SB19. Isipin mo, sa sobrang lip sync ang mga performance nila. Lip sync lahat, men, lahat. Hindi sila kumanta ng live kahit isang beses, puro lip sync lahat. Sa sobrang lip sync nila, 4 na beses na silang in-invite sa the first take. Salamat sa'yo, ha? Oh, dumaan ka. Dumaan ka. Bilisan mo. Nag-i-intro ako eh. Ha? Pati yung motor sang-ayon, sabi ko na talaga. Dati ko pang ano yan eh, napapansin. Nagli-lip sync nga talaga. Isipin mo pang-4 na beses. Pang-4 na in-invite. Sa time first ng SB19, nagli-lip sync. Oo, maniniwala ka pa sa ganun, no? Fourth time na in-invite ang SB19 sa the first take, eto, 4 na beses. Ha? And yet, there's still people na naniniwala na nagli-lip sync ang SB19. Aha! Actually, clarification sa mga nalilito. Baka tingnan mo, napakasinungaling, inuubo ka. Sa mga kakarating lang sa channel na to, baka akala nyo never po nag-lip sync ang SB19 sa kahit anong performance kasi mortal sin sa kanila yan, okay? 4 na beses na invite sa sa suki ng the first take, tapos nilip sync pa rin. Okay, so that's the intro. Congrats! Kung na-dislike mo na yung video, paki-like na, ha? Okay? Joke lang yun. Okay, tuloy. So, this is the 4th time that the SB19 is gonna be here at the first take. Diba? Isang take lang to. Walang okay, cut. Pwede pa ulit tayo. Walang ganon, pare. Isang beses lang. Ha? Talagang live vocals, live everything. So, kung tatanga-tanga ka dun, that's on you. Okay, so start na natin. Shoutouts to all the masters, always masterminds and grandmasters, the members of the channel. Start na natin to. Diba, diba? Inuubo-ubo ka pa sa kakasinungaling mo, ha? Alright. Handa ka na ba? Okay, let's go. The 4th time, man. May motor pa rin? Lumayas ka nga! Kanina hindi ako nagre-record, walang dumadaan na tikbalang. Hayop! Hindi naman to daan kasi ng motor. Eskinita kasi yan sa gilid eh. Tao lang dapat karatihin kita sa mata eh. Okay, tuloy. Balik natin. Uy, pogi ni Justin. So time nga talaga, tama nga yung mga master na time yung kakantayin nila dito.
Wow.
Wow.
Weird.
Pag 4 na beses ka na, talagang mapapaya. Napag ganun na. Kasi 4 na beses na eh. Ilang beses na balik-balik.
I'm so nervous again.
That's so good, man.
This is the first day.
Yeah, it's the...
Hello everyone, we're SB19. We're back here again. This time, we're going to perform one of our more emotional songs from our latest EP called
Simula at Tupas.
And it is called Time. Is everyone ready?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yoroshiku onegaishimasu.
Ay, hindi ko alam ang meaning nun, pero yeah, arigato.
In bed.
Ang lakas. Wow. The introduction has changed? Ha? Tama ba? O ako lang yung bungol? O ngayon ko lang napansin? Pero parang iba yung intro. Napaka-pogi naman nila dito. Parang ito yung pinaka-pogi nila na ano. Kasi palagi silang pogi. Pero dito parang pwede silang ano eh. Yung parang F4. Ganun yung dating nila eh. Sila yung F5. S5. Ganun.
Is everyone ready?
Yeah.
Pang-actor yung ano nila dito. is a whole different instrumental. Amen. Okay. Ito talaga, men, aabangan mo palagi kasi iba-iba nila yung mga instrumental, yung atake. Okay? Balik ka. Okay, kalma. Shoutout pala sa mga international reactor. Oh, you're welcome. English na, intindihan. Maintindihan niya na. Kami na nag-adjust, ha? Gawin niyo tong OST please sa inspirational or kahit sa pagmamahal na movie. Napaganda pakinggan, parang K-drama vibe ganun. May parang parang acoustic na feeling. Amazing harmonization here. Right here. Napakasarap pakinggan ng harmonization nila nito. Yung kanilang voicing. Awesome. Napakasarap. Napakaganda ng boses ng each and every one of them. Sobrang sarap. So masarap? Masarap yarn. Masarap pakinggan yung boses. Ano gusto mo? Rock? Gusto mo alternative? Gusto mo rap? Gusto mo boom bap? Gusto mo dancey? Gusto mo pang TikTok? Gusto mo ballad? Gusto mo love song? Gusto mo acoustic? Everything. SB19 handles this very very easily. Napaka-basic nito. Kaya nila lahat ng genre, kaya nila lahat ng lingwahe. 'Di ba? Kasi multilingual lang ang SB19, boy. And the added yung yung pag-voicing nila doon, harmonization nila doon, parang mga anghel. Parang mga anghel na lumilipad sa langit. Napakasarap pakinggan. That's a little detail, and little details matter. Small details matter, man. Bruh. Even the clocks, the sound of the clocks right there.
I'm so nervous.
Man, that's awesome.
Thank you.
Very serious. Wow. So that was the fourth video from the first take for SB19, and that was awesome. The lyrics was highlighted. It was amazing lyrics, by the way. An all English song, by the way. Lyrics, the emotion talaga yung nagdala dito, diba? Yung feeling, the harmonization, every one of them was perfect pitch. Sobrang ganda na ng mga boses nila individually, and as they harmonize, it gets even better. At napaka-pogi as usual. Kung medyo confused ka sa gender mo, parang sila na yung parang sagot para so that was it, and I was so happy. I love it so much, and I was really excited to watch it because this was uploaded yesterday, and I just shot this the next day, and I'm so relieved that and I'm so proud that SB19 did it again, man. They never disappoint. I just wanna thank all 18 and the SB19 for not giving up on their dreams, as I always say, man. Because they really have a great impact. Dati parang cheesy lang siya pakinggan, no? Dati parang okay, you can just say it, but now they really have a big impact on everybody's lives, especially 18, because we embody their values and their personal their persona as well. So we learn from their heartaches, we learn from their mistakes, we enjoy with their victories. We enjoy with their victories, you know. So in a way, we're with SB19. They bring us every single step of the way, and that's what they told us, because they're gonna bring 18 everywhere, and we feel that every single day. So that was okay yan, Carbs, ha? Pa-subscribe baka naman, boy. So that's all. Thank you so much for giving me a tiny bit of your time, and what you can do is subscribe. Maawa ka naman, please lang, oh. So yun lang, maraming salamat. This has been Curbs Page, and you must have been amazing.